2022 Ford F-150. With less than 33,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, heated rear seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, adjustable pedals, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.